Hey TT Squad, this is T, yeah. I am making turkey chili. Cause y'all know I can have beans cause beans is protein. And y'all know I can have ground turkey. So, I'm gonna put my onions in here. Like a half of an onion. Not making a big one cause my son don't really care for. He eats turkey when it's like turkey burgers and stuff like that. He's not really a chili person. I like chili, so I never had turkey chili. It's the first time for everything. Go ahead and let this cook a little bit. While that's cooking, I'm gonna talk to y'all about some things. I made the smoothie. Somebody recommended the smoothie and what I added. I came with almond milk. When I did that, my sugar went up, so I know I can't use almond milk. Almond milk wasn't a good suggestion. I think I'm just going to use water next time when I make one. Monday for breakfast, I'm going to make one, and I'm going to show y'all how I make it. I know y'all probably don't want to see her. Who wants to see somebody make a smoothie? Y'all going to see me make a smoothie. Look at this. And see, the thing about this, I don't have to drain off no grease, because it don't make no grease. I supposed to got some Cuban sauce. I couldn't find it, but I did find the chili pepper. I could find that when I was in Safeway. I looked and looked. Could not find it. So I'm just hoping it turned all right. So that right there. I put some, how do you, okay, let me see. Okay, I'm put some. This is chili powder. I keep saying chili pepper. It ain't. Okay, it's not trying to come out. Let me see. I think I poured a little bit too much on it. Am I going to do that? I think I'm going to go over here because there's a lot over here. I don't want to put it on in. Put too much on in. Check it out, y'all. Bam. Yes. With that being said, TT Squad, I'll be back. Bye. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. I was just sitting here thinking, let me cut this TV down because it's too loud. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I left. But I was in here just thinking, who would ever thought that I'd be cooking? Like, I'm cooking real stuff. Like, I'm cooking. Never thought. My son is like so happy that I cook now. He don't call my mother or sister for meals. Maybe when I'm in school sometimes. That's it. But once in the blue room, I think about out of 5 days a week, I might cook for him. Now, I don't have to drain the juice off because this is turkey meat, it's no juice. So I'm using 2 cups of broth soup. Okay. Yeah, that's 2 cups of broth soup. Stir that up. Then I'm use what's this? 28 ounce can of tomato paste. Not tomato paste, crushed tomato. And I'm going to add it in here. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to go. And I'm just going to stir it up. And it smells so delicious. I never, ever in my life, ever made chili. Like, I cook. Man, I'm so surprised of me. I'm surprised I'm cooking. I'm surprised I'm just like, I don't like to cook, but I find myself cooking because the only way I can survive on this journey is to cook. Now, with that being said, I got one can of kidney beans, 1 can of black beans because I'm the only one gonna eat this and it's just me, and I'm going to take my cousin some. So, and I rinsed them all. So I'm going to let that simmer down in there. Then I'm going to add the tomato paste. Because you got to have tomato paste. I think I should have used more turkey hamburgers. I didn't really know what size I needed, how much it was going to make. But next time I make this, I know. I didn't want to make a big one. I just wanted to make enough. I'm going to say my son just in case he want to try it. Because he's gone over his godbrother house. I better not say his friend. Because that's not his friend. That's his brother. So, he's gone over there for the weekend. And I'm home alone. Cooking. See, I'm just going to stir this up in there. And I don't know if it's soup or what. God, it smells so good, y'all. I have to show y'all. It smells delicious. It smells really, really good. I didn't put a lot of beans because I love beans, but I was trying to make a big one, which I should have known because I used 2 cups. So, wow. Come on, everyone. Come on over here. Look at the chili. Bum, 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 bum. It's getting kind of thick. It smells really delicious. I'm going to go ahead and put the top on it. Let it simmer down for like 20 minutes. I'm going to call my sister because I really don't know. With that being said, TT Squad, bye. I'm about to wash my dishes. I'll be back. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. Look, the chili been cooking for about an hour. My sister had to say this had to simmer down or whatever. And it actually isn't like it's ready. Look, TT Squad. Looks delicious. She said it had to simmer down for a while, so that's why I let it simmer down for like 30 minutes. Not 45 minutes, almost an hour. Bam. Oh, bam. Y'all look at the chili. I'm going to try a little bit. A tiny bit. I'm dropping stuff on the floor. See how this tastes. Look at the steam coming from it. Just going to taste a little bit. Actually tastes like chili. Tastes really good, y'all. TT Squad. Let me get this together. Like, share, subscribe. Yes. Boom, 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 boom. Like, share, subscribe. Bye. Peace out.